What's up, YouTube? Mr. Hustle here, back with another one. The goal for today is to make $25 per hour on this Monday lunch shift. So let's see if it's possible.
What? Yeah, buddy.
So I just picked up my first 2 orders from Chipotle. This is a 3-order trip, so I have one more pickup before I start heading towards the first drop-off. My third pickup is going to be at Robex, so I'm going to head on over to Robex now. Let's go.
Some things are meant to be fair. I know you left me down and out, and now the
Alright, so we just picked up that Robex. Now we're on our way to drop off these orders for the customers. Hopefully they'll tip a little extra because I provide 5-star service. Alright, just dropped off those 3 orders. It only took about an hour, so not bad. $28 for the first hour. After I dropped off those orders, I did get a $18 order from Spotted Horse Tavern, so I'm on my way to pick up that now. I also got a add-on from Shell, so I guess I'll be delivering for Shell, the gas station. Someone ordered some Monsters and other drinks, so let's see how that goes. Now, the Spotted Horse Tavern $18 order was 18 miles. Normally I don't take those, but this was mainly all highway, and the time estimate was about 35 minutes. So I figured that would be worth it, especially with this add-on. So let's go take care of this order now. Alright, so a few tips if you're trying to make $25 per hour like me. First off, you're going to want to be patient. Patience is so important when doing gig work. Most people, they just want to make money. They're in a rush. They don't have patience, especially in today's society. So they just jump on the first halfway decent order. Also, I just got under 5% cancellation rate. So that means I'm a platinum UberEats driver now. I'm going platinum out here. I definitely benefited from reaching that higher tier. I did not think it'd be so much better. I might have actually cared more in the past about my cancellation rate. The reason my cancellation rate gets high like that is not because I'm stealing the food like some of you, looking at you, but because I'll take a Uber order for say $10, and then a couple minutes later I'll get a DoorDash for $15, and I'm not gonna commit to $10 when I can make $15. Like, I'm in here to make money. Goal number 1 is to make money. Alright, I dropped off those 2 orders. So just to recap quickly, we did work 2 hours, and we did end up making $52. So that's $26 per hour. I did achieve my goal for the video. I know y'all already knew I was going to, but I told you so. You know I got more content coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I appreciate all the support. If you have any requests, video requests, leave them down below. One story for the road. While I was working today, my girlfriend texted me that she placed a Uber order, and my dad, he does Uber in his spare time for some extra cash, so he actually got her order. Um, so I sent him a text message. Hey, you better not mess up that order. Just messing with him. There's a little story to the order as well. She ordered from Dunkin'. Once he got to the restaurant, they said the cinnamon raisin bagels were all out of stock. So he ended up getting multi-grain instead. When he got back to the car, he seen the text from my girlfriend saying she would like plain or everything as a substitute. So he went back in the restaurant for her, talked to the worker, and then she ends up saying, "Oh wait, we got some cinnamon raisin bagels in the back. Let me go get one of them for you." So they actually did their job in the end, and she ended up getting her cinnamon raisin bagel. She was a happy girlfriend, happy girl, happy world, you know. And because all this happened, I could show you the back end of everything. So what the customer sees. So once my dad took the order, my girlfriend sent me this screenshot of what it looks like on the back end. That's story time with Mr. Hustle. I'm about to get on out of here. Easy shift today. Might have to do a long shift tomorrow though. We'll see. Gotta talk to my boss, talk to myself. Yo, my boss is a jerk. I don't never do shit at work. Alright, so please like, comment, and subscribe. I do appreciate all the support, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Take it easy.